This is Velvet Torque. We're here at the NWA Corvette show. We brought our 1974 Corvette. His name is Lucky Strike. So let's go and see what other crazy cars we can see.
C2 Corvette, 1966, 427 390 car. It was restored in 1988. That's actually a lacquer paint on it versus today's base coat, clear coat. This car's been in a bubble pretty much ever since 1988 in restoration. So just truly an Americana car. Wherever I go, it brings happiness to a world that's not very happy right now. And so the young and old alike, I could go to church in this, go anywhere I want to go, not be pretentious, but it's truly just put a smile on someone's face. So that's what draws me to the C2 1966 Corvette.
It's a 68, the first year of the C3. It's all original paint, interior, L79 327 with 350 horse and factory AC. Every car has its story, and at Velvet Torque, we love to bring those stories to life. So we're ending off our great day at the NWA Car Show.